Hello, Dr. Davis. This is my submission for the annual program part 10. So here the goal of my microcycle for this competitive season is to improve strength and power for my athlete. The first exercise that would be done in this regimen would be the front squats, it being a core exercise. So here I have the weight greater than 80% of the 1 rep max. I kind of guessed with that one for 86 kilograms with 4 sets of 6 reps. So I have the volume load calculated, and this exercise helps improve leg power output for vertical jumps and running. That's 2 very important attributes of a professional soccer player. The next exercise would be knee extensions. This knee extension exercise is the weight is greater than 80% of their 1 rep max, with the sets and reps being the same as the front squats. These knee extensions they help strengthen the knee extensor muscles, and that basically just provides more power output for kicking the ball greater distances. So like up the field or across the field diagonally or horizontally. It helps to have power in those knee extensor muscles. Create more force swinging the knee. So the next exercise would be the weighted hamstrings. This again is the goal is strength and power, so the weight is greater than 80%, 4 sets, 6 reps. This exercise in general helps with glute and posterior thigh muscles, and that's great for balance and strength during battles for possession. So in the game of soccer, when you're battling for possession against an opponent, usually you want to be stronger in your lower half body. As my old coach said, you want to be stronger in the legs than in the chest and arm area, because if you're stronger in the legs, the greater chance you have of overcoming your opponent and winning possession. So I have the volume load calculated for that weighted hamstring raise, as well as for those knee extensions. And then the last exercise that I have that would probably be performed would be the weighted step up. This again is at greater than 80% of the 1 rep max with 4 sets of 8 reps. I just increased the reps for this one by 2 as compared to the other 3 exercises, just because I feel like this is a really important movement pattern that simulates, or that happens very often in the game of soccer, so having more repetition in it would benefit my athlete greatly. But this exercise basically helps with improving power output of the legs individually. So that's basically mimicking your stepping and running, and more power in this specific exercise could aid in the overall running speed of my athlete. So that's my submission. Let me know if I need to look over anything. Thank you.